What's up guys? Today we are going to be learning how to set the IAF on your Sony camera. So there's a couple of settings that you have to adjust, and then I don't know what else I'm going to say. Cut. So with just a couple of small tweaks on your camera, you can get your subject's eyes in focus 85 to 90% of the time, even if you're shooting super shallow, like f1.4, f2. A lot of times it's hard to get the focus right, and with this feature, you can make sure that the eyes and the face are tack sharp. Alright, so let's jump right into the camera setup. So by default, the center button is IAF, but we're gonna set a quick key. We're going to set the AEL button to IAF. You're going to want to go to the menu and go to the second camera tab, and then photo custom keys, and then the AEL button, and then just set that to IAF, and now you have a shortcut key whenever you need it, and that green light means it's working.
Too fast, but I'm not leaving.
Alright, so now that we have the IAF key set, we're going to shoot some portraits and show you how it works with a model. So when you push the button, you're going to see the green light light up, and you see that little square pop up over his eye. Even if he's moving, it's still tracking with him. Even if you're shooting continuous, it's still keeping perfect focus on his eye the whole time. So even as he's moving back and forth, side to side, the square's tracking on his eye, and it's always keeping that tack sharp focus. And you can see I'm super shallow right now at f1.4, and it still looks good. And then big smile, boom, yeah. So you can see as we punch in that the eyes are in focus, and that's at f1.4. Alright guys, so that's how to use the IAF on your Sony cameras. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks just like this.